Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. Today we are going to learn how we can code an ERC20 token with buy and sell fees. So first we will download the basic ERC20 token code from my GitHub. So I will give this link in the description so you guys can download it. So here you need to click on download to download the basic ERC20 token all files. Once you download, I have already downloaded, so you need to download it. Once you download, you need to go to the Remix IDE. So here you can upload the code. Here is the button to upload the file from the PC. So click here, and then I have downloaded it on ERC20 folder, ERC20 token, and then here you can see this all in the files. I need to upload it. Then this is the my token.sol, and we'll go here to tick the auto compiler. So when we edit the code, it will compile automatically. So this is the main file where we compile and the entire code and deploy. So this is the basic token details. This is the contract name. Here is the symbol, the token name, and here is the symbol, and here is the total supply. So you can adjust, change, update this all according to your needs. So after that we will go to the ERC20.sol. We will add some function here to take buy and sell fees. So this function is the main function which call on each transfer. So we need to enter the code here. So before we doing anything here, we need to know the pair address, so we can understand, we can tell the code that this is the buy or sell. So to do this, we need to copy in this allowance mapping and then enter and paste it here. After that we remove this part and we give it here bool. After that, and this name we will change is pair. So in this variable we will map the pairs addresses. A pair address is the address where your two tokens will store. Like if you add liquidity with Ethereum, then the W Ether and your token will store, and when buy and sell, the token will transfer from that address. So now we need to create a function to add pairs and remove from the added pairs. So let's write a function here, function add pair, and then we need to mention the address variable here, pair. So when we call this function, we provide the pair address here and then add it. So it will be internal. This will be the internal. So we can call this function on this here. So here we will add a function to call this function. So we give it as this add pair internal, and then we write here is pair and the pair address equal to true. Okay, so we need one more variable here, bool value. So this value will be, so when we call the function we need two argument. One is the address of the pair, which we call here pair, and the bool type. So this value will be true or false. If it's true, then and the pair address will be added on this is pair mapping, and if it's false, then it will add as false, means not a pair. So after that, what we will do, we can't call this function, or we will not be able to write this function once we deploy this contract. So we need a public function here. So we add the function here, like function add pair, and so we write here two argument, the address pair and bool value. After that we will say it public, and then it will be only owner can call. So owner will call, it will be here we can say only owner. Then we call the add pairs internal function like this way. So after that, what we need to do, we need to go to the ERC20 and .sol, and then here we will edit and the transfer function. Here is the transfer function, this one. So we add here. So we need to calculate the amount of token that we want to transfer to the address of this token as fees. So let's calculate the fees. U into 56 fee equal to the amount multiply with the fee percentage. If 1%, then we can give it 1, then divided with 100. So this fee will be the 1% of the amount that are going to buy or sell. So after that, what we will do, we will make it if the sender is a pair, then it will be a buy. So we will check here, if is pair sender, then what will happen, we will take the fee. So first we will minus the amount, so the amount equal to amount, then minus the fee. This one, the fee amount will minus first. After that, what we'll do, we will copy this one. We need to copy this one first and then paste it here. So the sender, then balance sender, we minus and the fee here, fee. So after that we need this line, so let's copy and paste it. Okay, so after that, the balance here, the recipient will be address this. So let's copy it and paste it here as well. So address this, add the fee. Okay, after that we need to copy this emit event, then paste it here. So then we change the recipient to address this, and the amount will be the fee. So this will happen when someone buy, and copy this one and then paste it here. So this will be now recipient. Sorry, the spelling is recipient. So if is pair is the recipient and the amount equal to amount dot sub fees, and balance sender sub fee, balance address this, add fee, so all will be same. So now if and the buy and sell fee is same, equal, then we can do like this way. If the sell and buy fee is different, then what we need to do is we need to make a variable to store the fees, buy fee and sell fee. To do that, we need to go on the upside, and here we can add event to 56, public, and buy fee equal to, we can give it buy fee 1% and then copy it and paste here, and then write it as sell fee. So let's sell fee is 2%, and then we need a function to update this fee. To do this, we need to write a function here to update. Function update fees, and then we need two argument here with 256, sell fee and 256 buy, and then you can say it public, and then it will be the only owner, so only owner can call this function. Then here we will update the buy and sell fee. So buy fee equal to buy and sell fee equal to sell. So we set and this. So using this function, we can owner can update the sell and buy fees. So let's go back to the ERC20 and calculate the buy and sell fee. So here we can write buy fee and then the sell fee. So here we will add the buy fee that we mentioned above, and below is the sell fee, and divided with 100. So this is the buy fee and sell fee. Now this one is the buy, for buy, so we need to change it to buy fee. Here also buy fee, here as well buy fee, and here we will paste sell fee. Now we will deploy this contract on testnet, local testnet, to see it's working or not. So we need to go on mytoken.sol, then wait to compile, and then deploy it. Once deployed, now we need to go here. First we need to add pair. So on main network, when we deploy it, we will add liquidity first. After adding the liquidity, we will receive the pair address, but here we use this address as pair address, so to test the function is working or not. So I paste it here, here, and then say true. So once I call it, it's updated. So let's check. So we don't have a function to check this address is a pair address or not, so we need to add it. We will add later. Let's check the function is working or not. So if we transfer any amount from this address is the pair address, so if we send any amount from this address to any address, it will be a buy function, buy transaction. If we enter 100, so the transaction was confirmed, you can see. So let's check the balance of this address where we transfer. The balance is 99, and the one token, not one token actually, it's a small amount of token. So out of 100, the 99 will receive the buyer, and the 1 will transfer to this contract address. So we can check it. The address is received. Yes, it's receive 1. So now we need to check the sender balance. So this is the sender. Let's copy and remove it and then paste. So you can see here 900. So 100 was minus from this, from the sender. So the code is working correctly. So let's check one more thing. If we want to remove this pair, then we need to say false. Let's call it, it's now it's set false. If we call this transaction function, you can see the amount of this address would be 199, because now this address is not a pair address. So let's see the balance. You can see 199. So it was 99 on first transaction, after first transaction. Now when I transfer 100 without buyers as a buyer, so it's received 100, so it's 199. So it's working correctly. So let's check the sell function. To do this, we need to set it as pair to check this function. Let's check. It's 298. So now it's take 1%. Let's transfer from this address to this address. So if we transfer to this address, this is the pair address, so it will be sell transaction. So let's transfer. So we need to transfer from this address to this 100. If we do and we check, 100 was minus from my balance. If go here and check this one, so you can see 798. So first 3 transactions we have done, where we paid total 202, right? So 1, 2, 3 transactions we have done, and one more transaction we received only 98, because we transfer 100, then that's why we receive 99. If you go to the transaction, this is the transaction. See here, the transaction happened from topic event transfer argument value to 98. Okay, so and the sale fee is 2%, that's why 2% was debit. I was forgot that the sale fee is 2%. Okay, so it's working then as expected. So you can now use this code and deploy on test network to test it. You must test everything, so the code will be correct, and then you must audit the code also to use it, because I have only checked this function, this 2 is working or not. I hope you learn good things from this video. If you like, please click on like button, and you must subscribe, don't forget it. And if you have any question, you can comment, or you can also contact me on Telegram. Just search on Telegram, my name is Sheikh, so you can search, you can see this one is my Telegram, so the username is Sheikh Motibur Rahman. Okay, so you can also type this and you will see my details here. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.